Hello students, very good morning. This is our English grammar class, and English grammar in last class we have studied about collective nouns. This was your homework, you all have done this and this activity. Today we will study about the gender of nouns. Now what is the gender of nouns? See, the nouns from which we get to understand that whether the nouns are male or female. If the words describe it male, then it is masculine. And if the words define female, it is feminine. So see, gender is of three types. First is masculine, second is feminine, and third is common. Masculine, feminine, common. Now these are the three types of gender. Now what is masculine? Masculine nouns are the nouns in which words are referred to as males. For example, boy, man, then tiger, ox. So these are the masculine nouns. It shows that it is a male. Boy, man, tiger, ox. Feminine, in feminine, the words show that it is a female. That is girl, woman, tigress, ox, cow. And what are common nouns? Common nouns are used when the words may be male or female. They can be male or female. For example, see, doctor, pilot, teacher. We can't say whether it is a male or female. They can be male or they can be female. Common nouns are used for both male and females. So student, child. Understood? So these are the genders: masculine, feminine, and common noun, common gender. So let us see some examples. See, write she or he for each person. Now, when he or she is used when the words are feminine, that is female. Female words are there, then we use she. And the words when are male words, we use he. See, grandmother, mother is the female. So, grandmother will be the female, and here we have to write she. So, you have to write here she. Grandfather, he. Uncle, he. Uncle, man. So, here he will come. Aunt, she. Brother, he. Sister, she. Mother, she. Cousin, it is a common. It is the common gender. We can't say he or she. It may be he or it may be she. Father, he. So now see, look at the picture and read what the girl is saying. This is the picture of the park, and what the girl is saying, let us see. In this painting, the two children on the swings are my brother and sister. She is saying that on the swing, two children are there. Children's, see, children's. And one is brother and one is sister. That is my grandmother on the bench in the park. She is the grandmother. My grandfather painted this picture. I too want to be painter when I grow up. Now in this word see, children, it is the common gender because we don't know whether it is a girl or boy. But then brother and sister, here we can identify brother is the boy, sister is the girl. Grandmother, grandmother is the female. Grandfather, male. Painted, see, I want to be a painter. Painter, painter is the common gender. It can be a girl or it can be a boy. Now let us read the definitions. The words in green refer to males. Nouns that denote boys, men or male animals are nouns of the masculine gender. Example: boy, brother, uncle, grandfather, tiger, tomcat, drake. What is drake? It is the male duck. Male duck is known as drake. The words in pink refer to females. Nouns used for girls, women or female animals are nouns of the feminine gender. The words refer to females are known as the feminine gender. Example: girl, sister, aunt, grandmother, tigress, cat, duck. The words in blue are commonly used for both males and females. They are nouns of the common gender. Now, what are common genders? They can be used for both male and female. For example, student, doctor, painter, parent, baby, chef. You read these definitions, so you will be able to identify the masculine, feminine and common gender nouns. Here some words are given, so you read it carefully, then we will solve examples.